Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Vedic Mathematics. In today's video, I will show you a beautiful trick to calculate square. With this trick, you will be able to calculate the square of any number in just a few seconds. For example, if you need to find the square of 67, watch carefully how I do it. 67 has two digits, 6 and 7. So first calculate the square of each number separately. The square of 6 is 36, so we write that here. The square of 7 is 49 and we write that next. After that, you need to multiply this number 6, 7 and 2 together. So this gives us 84. Write this 84 below 3649, but leave a gap of one number at the end, like this. After that, you add them up and you will get 4489. And this is the square of 67. Let me give you another example. Suppose this time you need to find the square of 93. So first, write the square of 9, which is 81, and the square of 3, which is 9. But here we need to write a two-digit number. So we will add a 0 in front of 9 to make it 09. So it becomes 8109. After that, you need to multiply the numbers 9, 3 and 2 together. This gives us 54. Now write this 54 below 8109, leaving a gap of one number at the end. Add them up and you will get 8649. This is our answer.